Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Ruby on Rails. Today we are going to learn about the methods and the blocks. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. In Ruby, methods and the blocks are the fundamental features that allow you to encapsulate and reuse code. Methods is basically like the functions in the other languages. A method is a reusable block of code that you can call with a name. Methods in Ruby can take arguments, perform operations, and return a value. Okay, so this is basic one, defining the method and how to call the method. This is the thing. Okay, so here we go with this one. So here you are defining the method with the def greet. This is my name of that method, and here we are giving the arguments to that method. Okay, and just return the value. And how to call this method? Puts greet. Okay, so puts means print whatever the value we are trying to return. Okay, save this. If I try to run over here you can see that hello Alice. Okay, so hello, the name Alice, right? Def is used to define a method. Okay, to define a method we are using the def. Greet is the name of the method and name is the argument passed to that method. Return keyword returns the result, although it's an optional. Ruby returns the last evaluated expression by default. Okay, method with multiple arguments, you can mention with the multiple arguments over here, like we have a two arguments, three arguments according to it, you can do that. This add method takes two arguments a and b and returns their sum. Correct? So let's make it. We are passing two arguments and this implicitly returns the sum of a and the b. Try to save it, and if I try to run it over here, here we go 8. Okay, next we have a blocks. Okay, so block is a chunk of code enclosed between do, end, or curly braces that you can pass to a method. Blocks are often used with iterators like each. Okay, in that case you can also use, so using the blocks with iterators, so I'm going to use it with the iterators means loop. Okay, so here we go with this one. So I will explain you this. So this is basically your array, whatever array you can define over here, dot each. Okay, do number, this is iteration, right? So here you can see, and puts whatever the number is. Okay, so using a block with each method, so we are using the block with each. Okay, try to save it. So it will print number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5. Okay, next block is used using the do. Here you can see we have a do. Okay, and then we have a end. Okay, so do, end. The block is how here you can see that a block is a chunk of code enclosed between do, end, or curly braces. Okay, so block, this is we have defined. A block is passed to each method. Okay, each method we have passed, which iterates over the each element in the array. The variable number represents the current element in the iteration. Okay, now block with this syntax, curly braces syntax. Okay, so here you can see that the 3 dot times I puts iteration with this. So here you can see that we have a curly braces. Okay, so here you can see that we have iteration 3 times, and we have a puts iteration with I plus, every time it gonna be incremented. Okay, iteration done. So the block is defined using the curly braces. The times method runs the block 3 times, passing the current iteration index I to the block. Okay, methods that take blocks. So here you can define your own methods that accepts the blocks using the yield keyword. Okay, so here you can see that we have this method. Okay, so here I have defined that do do twice. Okay, this is a method. Then we have a yield end. Okay, so how you can define this? You can define your own method that accepts the block using the yield keyword. So the do twice method calls the block twice using the yield method. Okay, and the block this block using the curly braces is passed to the method. Here you can see we have passed it to the method, so whatever we have passed over here it will print over here, right? Save it, it's there. Let's try to run it. So here you can see hello hello. So yield method, for the help of with the help of the yield method, we can use the blocks in the methods. Okay, so this is done. In the next video we will make it with the blocks, procs and the lambdas. Okay, so this is for the, you can see about the blocks. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.